Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're given a table with some values of the functions w of x and t of x. We're asked for which value of x, and we're given 5 of them, is w of x plus t of x equal to x. So what we're going to do is we're going to test this for x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2, x is equal to 3, and so on. So x is equal to 1. We need to see is w of x, so w of 1, plus t of x, so t of 1, is that equal to 1? Well, w of 1, if we find that right here, again, when you want to find this, you say, okay, we take our x and our column x, our column for w, we connect on -1. Same thing here, connect x to t of x, -3. So -1 plus -3. This is going to be distributing the negative, sort of -1 minus 3 is -4. And from that, we know that this is not equal to x, because in this situation, x is equal to 1. So we were looking for these to add up to -1, or sorry, add up to 1, but they didn't. They added up to -4. X is equal to 2. Again, w of x is going to be w of 2, plus t of x is t of 2. W of 2 is equal to 3, plus -1 is t of 2. And again, this is equal to 3 minus 1. All right, plus a negative number is minus that positive number. 3 minus 1 is 2. And if you notice here, x is equal to 2, and w of x plus t of x is also equal to 2. So 2 is the value of x for which this equation is true. So 2, or B, is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.